Alright, looks like our marshals are ready. Austin's going to sort these guys out real quick. Boom. Alright, looks like we're ready to go. Marshals ready, drivers are ready. We're going on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Keep it clean, keep it clean. Get a good clean start. There we go, there we go. Oh. Uh-oh. Looks like Ryan is out already, maybe. Ball cup, maybe. Oh, caution after big table, caution after big table. And that was lid tag on his lid. That's going to let Eric move out to the front. Joe now has to make up some ground here. Make sure you pay attention to corner 2. All right. Ooh, looks like, oh, Rob, nice clean pass out of Joe on Eric. Joe now putting the pressure on Rob. Trying to keep it clean. Oh. Easy. Keep it clean. Joe Lintak trying to take the inside, getting tangled up. Putting him back a couple spots now. Running order right now is Eric, Rob, Josh, Denny, Joe, Ryan. Ooh, Joe Lintek almost overshooting that last table. Joe Lintek now has to chase down Josh. Not too far behind though. Eric and Rob racing it out. Super close. Rob looking for that opening. Oh, and he takes it. Eric blows the corner a little wide. Let's Rob take the inside. Joe Lintak having a really hard time in the main here. Pushing a little too hard, making some mistakes. Oh, and he does it again, rolls it coming off the straight. Little help in the center. Joe Lintak having some rough laps here. Man, oh man. About a half a lap down now from the leader, sitting in that number 4 spot. Running order right now is Rob, Eric, Josh, Joe, Denny, Ryan. Joe's desperately trying to chase down Josh, making a little blip going over the tabletop there. Give Josh some breathing room. Eric and Rob still battling it out. Rob out in front now, making that super clean pass on Eric a while ago. Eric trying to chase him down 0.9 seconds separating Rob and Eric. Coming over that center table. And Joe Lintak desperately trying to catch up, making his way up on Josh, putting the pressure on for sure. Those two still about a half a lap down from your leaders. Oh, and Josh tumbles going over that back table. Let's go let Joe Lintak by. Joe Lintak still got lots of ground, about a half a lap to make up to catch up to Eric there. But Joe now in that number 3 spot. Number 3 coming up behind you, Ryan. We are 4 down, 2 to go, guys. 4 down, 2 to go. Eric and Rob kind of have some clear track ahead of them, working their way up on Josh. Moving right along here. Joe Lintak trying to catch up to Eric, still about a third of a lap down. 7.8 seconds separating Eric and Joe, 1.7 seconds separating Rob and Eric. Joe Lintak pushing hard, trying to catch up. Just over a minute left in the master clock.
Go.
Your running order right now is Rob, Eric, Joe, Josh, Denny, Ryan. Seconds to go, Eric. 45 seconds to go. Joe slowly creeping up on Eric. Now 5 seconds separating Joe and Eric. Rob pulling a little bit of a gap on Eric there coming in. Oh, and Rob. Oh, that was okay. That was Josh. I'll get the two mixed up sometimes. Man, oh man, that was a good battle in the beginning. Joe Lintek trying to reel in Eric. 3.7 seconds now separating Eric and Joe. 15 seconds left in the master clock. 2 corners separating second and third place right now. Eric just has to keep it in cruise mode. Master clock have expired. Racing to the line, racing to the line. Oh, Joe Lintek slowly chasing him down, not enough to do it though. Top 3, Rob, Eric, and Joe.